When you think that being a 1 or a 2 is not enough to practice your German language comprehension, you are wrong. Today we will check out short stories again, we will go through them, listening and talking about grammar and vocabulary, and you will see what you can do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a feedback, a comment in the comments below to support this channel. Let's go! Wir hören den Text. Wie war es auf dem Oktoberfest? Der Sprachkurs hat wieder begonnen und Karim und seine Freunde sitzen im Klassenraum und warten auf die Lehrerin. Hailian und Weiwei wollten auf das Oktoberfest gehen. Es ist ein großes Fest in München und wird jedes Jahr von Millionen Gästen weltweit besucht. Die Besucher trinken Bier, hören Musik und verkleiden sich in alten Trachten wie Dirndl und Lederhosen. Ich fand es ganz cool. Wir waren den ganzen Tag unterwegs und haben viele Chinesen getroffen. Dann haben wir natürlich auch viel Bier getrunken, sagt Hailian. Ohne Bier kann man diese Musik nicht ertragen, meint Weiwei, und alle lachen. Das Wetter war zum Glück trocken, aber es war windig. Und die Preise für das Essen und Trinken waren unglaublich hoch. Aber es war eine schöne Erfahrung. Komm nächstes Mal doch mit. Karim schüttelt mit dem Kopf. Nein, danke. Ich trinke ja keinen Alkohol. Und die Musik ist es nicht wert. Aber ich möchte mal München besuchen. Das können wir mal im Frühling machen. Die Jungs nicken. Ach, ihr wart auf dem Oktoberfest? Die Lehrerin steht an der Tür. Na dann, erzählt mal. Wir lesen zusammen. This is the part where I speak English again and we try to figure out what we just heard. Don't be afraid of Daddy Does, just write your vocabulary in our notebook and learn them correct from the beginning. Link is in the description below. Thanks for supporting us. Okay, first sentence. Wie war es auf dem Oktoberfest? It's an easy sentence, easy enough, but maybe you're not familiar with its sentences. So, es is our subject. How was it at the Oktoberfest? Auf dem needs dativ, auf dem, because it's a static verb. Der Sprachkurs hat wieder begonnen. Here we have perfect tense, because it's also a past thing that started in the past and it's still going. So the language course began again, I guess after holidays or something. Wieder means in this case again. Und Karim und seine Freunde sitzen im Klassenraum und warten auf die Lehrerin. So we have a second statement, and the second statement about Karim and his friends after the und is in present tense, because this is what happens at the very moment. Karim and his friends are sitting in the classroom, again dativ, and wait for the teacher. Here you see auf, and now you think auf die Lehrerin, isn't this Akkusativ? Why is it here dativ? Because you have to learn the whole pattern. Auf jemanden warten, to wait for somebody is an Akkusativ. Where if you want to say the cat sits on the sofa, or say the couch because it's female, die Katze sitzt auf der Couch, sits on the couch. Totally different, but auf is the same preposition used. So this is a tricky part about German prepositions. Hailian und Weiwei wollten, past tense of to want, auf das Oktoberfest gehen. Wanted to go to the Oktoberfest. We have here infinitive because wollte is a modal verb, a helping verb, and the pattern is like the normal ones in present, helping verb, object or whatever, and the verb at the end in infinitive. By the way, auf, you can remember it also as a pattern. To go to a festival, to a fest, we have to say auf das Fest. Sounds a little strange, but this is how it works. Same with concerts. Auf das Konzert gehen. But if you talk about visiting a theater, you would say in das Theater gehen. Not the same. Es ist ein großes Fest in München und wird jedes Jahr von Millionen Gästen weltweit besucht. It is a big festivity in Munich. Is it even in Munich? I don't even know, but I think so. Or in the area, no idea. And gets visited every year, jedes Jahr, by million visitors from all over the world. Wird besucht, by the way, is A2 plus grammar. It's passive if you want to look it up. Die Besucher trinken Bier, hören Musik. The visitors drink beer, listening to music und verkleiden sich, reflective, in old clothings. For example, wie would be like Dirndl und Lederhosen. Ich fand es ganz cool. I found it quite cool. Ganz makes it a little less than cool, but it's okay, it was okay. Fand, Präteritum, past tense. Wir waren den ganzen Tag unterwegs. Unterwegs sein means to be either on the go, to be outside. It's the opposite of staying home. Unterwegs. Unterwegs is a nice expression if you don't want to be too detailed about where you are. Ich bin unterwegs. I am on the way to somewhere. Could be a doctor's appointment, could be friends, could be a date. So we were on the go the whole day, den ganzen Tag, Akkusativ, und haben viele Chinesen getroffen. And we met many Chinese people. Haben getroffen, perfect tense. Dann haben wir natürlich auch viel Bier getrunken. Then we drank a lot of beer. Of course. Natürlich, of course. Auch also as well, says Hailian. Ohne Bier kann man diese Musik nicht ertragen. Without beer, one cannot stand or suffer through this music. To stand or to bear the music. Meint Weiwei und alle lachen. Says Weiwei and everything laughs. Alle lachen. Mind is just another expression, comes from Meinung, opinion, but we wouldn't say in English, Weiwei opinionates this and that. We would say, he just says it, mind. Stating an opinion. Das Wetter war zum Glück trocken, aber es war windig. The weather was dry, luckily, zum Glück, but it was windy. Es war windig. Und die Preise für das Essen und Trinken waren unglaublich hoch. Für, again, Akkusativ. So the prices for the food and drinks were unbelievably high. Unglaublich, unbelievably, and hoch, high. Aber es war eine schöne Erfahrung. But it was a nice experience. Easy sentence. Komm nächstes Mal doch mit. Next time, come with us. Mitkommen is a verb that's really hard to translate into English or any other language maybe, because this come with somebody, it doesn't say mit uns, it just say commit. It implies that the speaker wants another person to join him or her. So next time, join us. Doch is an emphasis. It's almost like the other person knows that the next person will say no. So it's trying to convincing. It gives a convincing touch. Karim schüttelt mit dem Kopf. Karim shakes his head. We could also say, by the way, Karim schüttelt den Kopf. We don't have to say mit, dem, but if we say it, it's Dativ. If you don't say it, it's Akkusativ. Nein, danke, no thank you. Ich trinke ja kein Alkohol. The ja is an explanatory emphasis. I don't drink alcohol though. Did you forget? So something like this. Convincing again, trying to state an opinion. Und die Musik ist es nicht wert. Literally, and the music is not worth it. Actually, the English sentence is word by word. The music ist es nicht wert. You should learn it as a pattern because our subject is es again. The verb is here. And then die Musik is the object who is not worth it. So the position of the words and the function of subject-object is a little bit tricky. Aber ich möchte mal München besuchen. But I want to visit Munich or to have a visit. Again, I said it before many times, mal gives a casuality. Das können wir mal im Frühling machen. We can do this in spring, im Frühling. Again, mal just makes it a little more far away, a little bit more casual, maybe once in one spring. Die Jungs nicken. The guys nod their heads, nicken. To agree by nodding. Ach, ihr wart auf dem Oktoberfest? Ach, you guys, plural, have been to the Oktoberfest? Wart, past tense. Die Lehrerin steht an der Tür. The teacher stands at the door, an der, Dativ. Because to stand is not a movement or anything like this. Na, dann erzählt mal. Well, tell us. Mal again, giving this emphasizing push. Tell us about it then. Okay, this is it for today. I hope you learned something. Don't give up. I know the prepositions are a little tricky. They are not the most convenient thing. I have many students who struggle, but after a while, they just learn it. Keep doing it. Watch the videos, watch the grammar and the short stories. Try to also write stuff a little bit more actively, and I will see you very soon. Don't give up. Bye.